What is digital marketing and can you actually make money from it? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down with you exactly what it is, what it's not, break those myths, and tell you exactly how I, as a grandma from Ontario, Canada, how I've actually used digital marketing over the last 14 months to go from zero to over $660,000 as a complete beginner. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I did. All right, let's get into it. Okay, what is digital marketing? Well, simply put, it's really promoting products digitally online through social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. No dancing required, although I have done a little bit of that on my TikTok channel with my grandkids, but it's not mandatory for sure. It's really connecting somebody in the digital space, like you're watching this, you're on social media, YouTube. It's connecting people in the digital realm with a product, service, or program that they're interested in. That connection point is digital marketing. If you're wanting to grow an income strictly online, then it's truly promoting other people's products or services and making a commission from that. Whether it's a percentage of commission, like with affiliate marketing, if I promote a product on Amazon, I make a percentage of commission if I promote that. You've probably seen that in your social media feed. People would be like, put this if you want to learn these, get this Amazon thing that I'm talking about. You can get it. They make a percentage of commission. Also, there's ways of learning and earning, like the program that I took, and I was given 4 different digital programs to promote to make 100% profit right out of the get-go. To me, that was better use of my time to make 100% profit than making a little percent with Amazon products or things like that. Nowadays, a lot of people, you do not need tech skills to get into digital marketing because it's been made so much easier with programs and systems that are very beginner friendly. I should know. Like, I totally am not a techie person. But in February 2024, I was able to follow a program that taught me these skills of digital marketing. And that's what got me that boost into the online space that I so desperately wanted. Let's talk about what digital marketing is not. It's not MLM. It's not network marketing. It's not things like that where you're referring stuff to your Aunt Louise because you're like, hey, buy my product, Aunt Louise. It's not that. There's no cold messaging. There's no private DMing people, sliding into their inbox where it seems kind of spammy. It's not that at all. And it's definitely not some get rich quick scheme or scam in the online space. Something that you build over time once you learn the proper skill set. It's a real teachable skill set. Digital marketing, this is what Forbes says. It is one of the skill sets that is on the rise. So it doesn't matter what you're doing. Your people or people you want to reach are online. They're on every social media platform out there. That's where people spend majority of their downtime. So as a person that wants to get your product, program, or service in front of somebody, you need to learn a skill set of digital marketing, how to do that, how to stop the scroll of your viewer so they can watch and learn about your product, program, or service. Kind of like, think about when you go to a good restaurant or you go and watch a movie and you tell your friends about it. Can you imagine if you got paid each time you did that? Well, this is what, when you do this in the digital realm, you can get paid a percentage for referring something that you like or that you're using. So really with digital marketing, you don't need to create the product. You just need to promote the product. And that promotion is what digital marketing is. Whatever social media channel or ways you do it, that is digital marketing because it's on a digital platform. For example, you could take an Amazon product and you could promote it. Let's say I say, here, this beautiful mug here, you can get on Amazon, put the link below, and then you go and get it, right? And I make a percentage. I like to call it referral marketing by referring this mug or whatever, you name it. Amazon's huge. They've got so many different products. There's other ways of doing programs and digital products, which the nice thing about digital products or digital program is you can make a lot more profit from those programs, which is how I got started in 2024 and how I made over $54,000 in my first month because I was able to make 100% 100% profit from a product program that I didn't even create, but I was using to learn this skill set. I jumped into a plug and play system. And for me, that was perfect because it was step by step, good for my 55-year-old brain. I was able to follow it while working full time, learn a skill set all about digital marketing and all about the different social media channels. But the cool thing is, this program actually gave me 4 different digital programs to make 100% profit from to start my digital marketing journey. That is what has allowed me in my first month to make over $54,000 and to date $660,000 because I learned this skill set. Now, you don't have to be techie, you don't have to be knowledgeable, but you have to start and you have to learn, right? So for me, that worked great for me, and I was thrilled when I actually found a program that was very doable. The neat thing about digital marketing is you don't have to spend your full 8 hours a day to actually get results. It's compressed. Let's say you are doing a video on TikTok. Let's just take TikTok, for example. You do a video, it's out there working for you 24/7. That is why you can compress your time. When I'm at my 9-to-5 job, I am making money while I'm working. I'm trading time for dollars. But with digital marketing, stuff is out there digitally running for you 24/7. So it compresses that amount of time that you actually have to spend running a digital marketing business. Me, being a grandma, I was 55 years old. I wanted more time for my grandkids. That is why I was looking at alternative ways to make an income. I chose digital marketing because it made sense to me. And I learned everything from a webinar that I watched, which it really explains it in greater detail. So if you want to see that webinar, put a webinar below. I'm going to happily share that with you so you can learn more about it as well. But for me, we were short for retirement. I still needed to make an income. I was torn between wanting to spend more time with my grandkids and having freedom and still making money. I figured if I could learn a different way to earn that would free up my time, that I could do my income producing activities around what's important to me, that made the most sense to me moving forward. And I thought, you know what? I can learn new skills. I don't care if it takes me longer than some 22-year-old to learn it. I can do it. So I set out on my journey in February of 2024, and this is where I am today. This business and learning this skill set has allowed me to retire of October of 2024, the same year, because I learned how to earn online. The neat thing is I can still do this business while I travel, while I live life, and that's was important to me. That is what I was looking for. Now you know what digital marketing is, but how actually does it work behind the scenes? Stick around because in the next video, I'm going to show you how I used a simple step-by-step system, retired at 55 years of age, that absolutely anyone can use, even if you've never made a dollar in the online space before. You don't want to miss it. See you there.